If apps aren't showing up in the Google Play Store, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually very easy to fix. Sometimes, certain apps don't appear because of restrictions on your device. Features like parental controls can limit what you see based on age settings or content filters. If this is turned on, it might be hiding the app you're trying to find without you even realizing it. Another reason could be that your Google Play Store isn't up to date. When the app is outdated, it may not display newer apps or updates properly. Keeping it updated ensures everything works smoothly and that you can access the latest apps available. There's also a chance that temporary data stored in the Play Store is causing the issue. Over time, cached data can become corrupted or outdated, which can interfere with search results and app visibility. In most cases, once these small issues are resolved, the missing apps will start appearing again just like normal. It's all about making sure your settings, updates, and app data are working correctly. So if you ever can't find an app, now you know it's not a big problem, and it can be fixed quickly. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips.